Rider is one IDE for every engine, for every platform, for every task. We invest heavily into researching of what matters for game developers, what challenges they face every day, and what technologies they would like to adopt and to improve. And when you put everything together, all these features, all this integration, you see that Rider combines 4 major strengths. First of all, as an IDE, it provides you powerful coding assistance with more than 2,500 inspections and advanced code analysis. Second, it provides you deep game engine-specific integrations across Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot, or custom engines. And third, a full consolidation. So instead of switching between multiple tools, multiple environments, you can work in one place. You can work with profiling, debugging, version control, shaders, tests, blueprints, and also run very advanced AI agentic workflows in one simple place. So the next one is mixed mode debugging I mentioned, right? You can step directly between managed C# code and C++ code in a single debugging session. For teams working across engine and gameplay layers on custom things, this is dramatically reduces context switching and improve overall experience working with these tasks. We want Rider to become the place where developers can work with the AI tools that they already prefer, or with new tools that are coming on the market. So today, Rider supports OpenAI, Codex, Claude Agent, Juni, GitHub Copilot, and other external agents.
Rider is moving towards an official open path for AI for all the AI agent integration. ACP we introduced here is not a simple wrapper CLI. It's not simply wrapper CLI agent into IDE to Windows. It actually works as a bridge between the two worlds. You can use our JetBrains AI subscriptions, but you can use your own Codex and cloud subscriptions as well, such as here. So you can sign in and use your own LLM tokens from different places. The IDE becomes a shared place where human and agent build games together. So it's the best place to put harness engineering into practice. For game dev, this matters more than in many other domains because the work deeply contextual. Engine, assets, build system, VCS rules, performance signals, and release gates are all shaped whether the change is safe.
And we would like to explore with more and support Korean game developers. What we are currently missing, I will be honest with you, we miss more feedback. We'd like more Korean game developers to speak up and communicate with us or with our partners, because we are listening to feedback. As I mentioned before, our whole roadmap of Rider is built by developers, by our customers, by our users. So please do not hesitate to reach out to us, to submit tickets, to communicate with partners. We would love to be building Rider for you better.